Within the walled garden at Fulham Palace is this beautiful wisteria, thought to date from the 1830s. The arch-shaped 60-metre-long wisteria creates a natural barrier between the knot garden and the rest of the walled garden. This 1901 photograph shows the wisteria in the background, supported by arched metal hoops that probably survived for 30 years. The existing supports were installed early in the 21st century and have since begun to rot, causing damage to the wisteria and surrounding plants. The palace's head gardener, Lucy Hart, launched an appeal in 2021 to raise £20,000 for the creation of new metal hoops reflecting the original design. As a result of the amazing generosity of the public, particularly our friends and patrons, we met that target within 3 months. The new arches consist of double steel ornate hoops to provide extra strength and were installed in February 2022. Thank you to everyone who supported what is one of London's most important botanical gardens since the 16th century. By helping to restore the wisteria to its former glory, you have ensured that future generations can come and enjoy its blossoms for years to come.